Okay, business owners, Almost Monica asked me to show you guys how to do a trademark search. So I'm going to give you the beginning levels of looking to see if someone else has your trademark. But before I do, let me give you this disclaimer. The search that I do on behalf of my clients are far more comprehensive, but this is an excellent first step for those of you who are considering opening your own business. All right, so first you want to go over to uspto.gov, that's for United States Patent and Trademark Office, or uspto.gov/trademark/search, and it'll bring you up to this trademark search option. So just like Google, I'm going to pop in the word I'm looking for. I'm going to use my name, LaDawn. There are 3,805 results for LaDawn, both live and dead. And you can see that some are pending, some are live, some are retail store. There are other LaDawns that came up because the person who applied for it, their name was LaDawn as well. So if the name of my business that I want to trademark is LaDawn's, those first couple of trademarks are going to be the ones I want to take a closer look at. But I'm also going to search for my name in different ways, with a space in between it, with different spellings for the same name, and I'm going to do it as many times as I can. You can also use the website to help narrow your search results. Once I changed it to live results and changed the spelling, that 3,800 came down to about 1,600. And you can see that there are, in fact, other LaDawns spelled a different way that are trademarked. So I would want to look at those closely. The United States Patent and Trademark Office does not care about the phonetics, the actual spelling. They care about how it sounds. And again, you're going to try all the spellings that you can. You want to see which trademarks are live, what classes they are in. Is it the same class of goods? Or if I'm selling t-shirts, are they selling t-shirts? But then you also want to do the search with just the dead mark. So when you can find one that is similar to yours, why is that one dead? You can go into that actual application and get more information. And I'll break this down slower in another video, but when you go into the actual office action, so those are the documents that come from the USPTO, you'll find out that this one was denied because there was a likelihood of confusion with another trademark, and it lists which trademark it is. So if you pull up your trademark, you see that someone else has it, you see that someone else has been denied for that same trademark, you can find out why. And you can search right on the USPTO website to look up any other trademarks that may have come up. So in that quick search, I saw a trademark similar to the one that I wanted that had been denied. It was denied because this trademark existed before that. But guess what? That trademark has since been canceled because they did not file the correct paperwork. So you can, in fact, all on your own, go over to the United States Patent and Trademark Office website, play around with it a little bit, and look at their search options. You can look to see if someone has your same trademark, but it's very important for you to understand that that is not the final issue. You need to make sure that that trademark is actually registered. Is it in the same class of goods? Are your marks actually similar? I can help you do all of those things. But for all of you DIYers, people who just kind of want to take a first step on your own, this is how you find out. Now, I call this a knockout search. It's not as thorough as a comprehensive search that looks at all of the state filings, all of the other federal filings, all of the business names. It searches the internet. All of that comes if we work together. But I do free knockout searches and discovery calls as a first step just to figure out, if I'm going forward with this business, should I start with this name? How likely is it that I'm going to get it? How urgent is it that I move right now? Because time is of the essence when it comes to trademarks. Almost Monica, I hope this helped. Let me know if you have other trademark questions.